What vegetables can you eat on a keto diet? Is broccoli better than avocado? Which vegetables are keto-friendly? This information is brought to you by Diet Doctor's team of physicians and dietitians. In other words, we know keto. To find the best keto vegetables, follow this simple rule. If it grows above ground, it's probably better for a keto diet. Why? Plants store a lot of their carbs below ground in their roots. For keto, we recommend staying below 20 grams of net carbs per day. So, if you're eating 100 grams of a root, like a potato, it already contains about 15 grams of net carbs. Get a deeper understanding of the science on our website. But if you want to know what to eat right now, here's our list of the 10 best keto vegetables, ranked in order of popularity and how easy they are for keto cooking. Number 10, Brussels sprouts. With 5 grams of carbs per 100 grams serving, these little gems are big on flavor. Try them roasted with bacon or shredded in a salad. Number 9, green beans. 4 grams, or string beans, snap beans, or haricot vert, whatever you call them, keep a bag in the freezer to toss in soups, stews, or casseroles. And go green, bean, anytime. Number 8, kale, 3 grams. It's so tender when tossed in salad dressing or baked in casseroles, and it's fantastic in smoothies or crispy chips. Number 7, asparagus, 2 grams. Hit the keto target with these spears. Have them sautéed, grilled, or steamed. Number 6, spinach, 1 gram. Use it raw in salads. Sauté it or cream it. Try a spinach omelet for breakfast. With only 1 gram of carbohydrate, it's almost impossible to have too much. Number 5, zucchini, 3 grams. With a handy kitchen spiralizer, turn zucchini into zoodles, your new favorite pasta. You'll find plenty of zoodle recipes at dietdoctor.com. Number 4, cabbage, 3 grams. A head of cabbage can wear many hats. It can double as a wrap or pretend to be pasta. And it can also be sliced into slaw for a cool summer salad. Number 3, broccoli, 4 grams. Rich in protein and fiber. Try it raw or cooked, dipped or smothered. Number 2, avocado, 2 grams. Technically a fruit, but loaded with nutrients and healthy fat. Great sliced, mashed as guacamole, or even baked. Number 1, cauliflower, 3 grams. The winner. It can replace many high-carb dishes you love. Once you try it mashed, you won't miss potatoes. You can also grate it into rice or make a perfect pizza crust with it. Those are Diet Doctor's top 10 keto vegetables. All are under 5 grams of net carbs per 100 grams serving. And remember, if it grows above ground, it's probably better for keto because you're not eating the root. Want more keto-friendly foods? Visit our website, dietdoctor.com, for hundreds of easy recipes and trustworthy weight loss and health advice from doctors